Eugene, have you ever worked with agar? Agar?
Not much, no.
We're going to add a little bit of agar to our squash puree.
I love teaching. Everything I do is just a vessel for me to be able to teach.
Those are the purple tea flowers. Nice. Have some fun with this.
I want to take as many opportunities as I can. I'm very excited to learn about Chef Berry today.
I knew at 4 years old that I was going to be cooking.
Ooh, it's hot.
Being Cree, not being Mi'kmaq, I learned as much as I possibly can. Always a privilege and an honor to do that.
Take the Cizo, take the end off, we'll chop it up, and then that go right in there.
This catering company I worked at when I was 15, band members would come in with bear and venison and eel and salmon. And
Just clean off these.
at first I had no clue what I was doing with it.
I'm going to rub it in salt, pepper, and juniper berries.
But year after year, I would meet with the elders and
We're going to make the medicine wheel.
they would teach me the traditional ways,
So we have our yellow and our red, white,
the methods, the techniques,
and then the ash is actually for the black dough.
but also the ideas behind it, the thought process behind it.
The indigenous cook with a lot of ash. Yeah. It's a detoxifying method, right? Yeah.
They can actually have a different way of looking at things, kind of one with the land, using traditional ingredients in their season. I'm a sponge. I suck all that knowledge up.
A lot of flavor in shellfish is actually in the shell.
Mi'kmaq traditional food just became part of my career.
Duck eggs are indigenous to this area. They also are richer.
I want the product to be used properly and treated with respect to Mother Nature and the Creator and things that we get from the land. When it's done properly, of course, it's amazing.
How you making out, Eugene? I'm good.
Something magical by showing somebody something and watching their eyes light up and they can't believe that they're actually doing it. That's pretty fantastic. They'll get that torch and they'll go back to their communities and learn everything that they can.
You're doing good. Thank you.
Mi'kmaq History Month is just an opportunity for people to learn. This is our basket. This is what we can share. And it's great for people to come in and kind of learn that.
I think they're ready now, Eugene. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it.